Hey, this is Todd Lewis with Tommy Williams Homes, and we are out here in the Oakmont neighborhood, just between Hale Plantation and town of Tioga. And today we are looking at a brand new floor plan called the Chelsea. Now, I don't normally show floor plans that are in the framing stage. So one, forgive the mess. Two, I just had to point out some really cool things. We're very excited about this brand new floor plan. It's only 1,500 square feet, making it the entry level for Oakmont, but it's so packed with features that I was just too excited to not tell you about them. So I want to start off here. We're on the back porch in the back of the home, and this is one of the great features about this home. It's a new feature. What you're looking at here, this huge opening, is a 12-foot opening that'll be filled with 8-foot by 4-foot sliding glass doors that'll pocket all the way behind the wall, so that when it's all the way open and you're standing in the home, it'll be completely open. This is one of the great features we've seen come out in the last decade, but you see it usually in $500,000 homes. Well, we managed to get this great feature in this 1,500 square foot home, and I want to take you inside and just point out a couple more quick features. So the Chelsea is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Again, very entry level for Oakmont. I'm going to talk about pricing in a second. Right now we're standing in what would be your snack bar, island, kitchen. Another great feature, this will be cabinets, this will be an island. You're gonna have extra cabinets over here. You're gonna have a corner step-in pantry over here. The floor plan is wide open, so if you look over this way, you're looking through dining room, great room, put your TV on the wall. You've got your bedrooms up front. Again, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. And I want to point out one more feature before I let you go. So if we walk this way, this has an attached garage, 2-car garage. I'm in the laundry room now. You've got washer and dryer. You've got to use your imagination. It'll be over here. Over here, we left room to do one of those cool built-in mud benches with a window in the laundry room. There's nothing like a little natural light in your laundry room, and also enough space to do one of those built-in mud benches. A place to drop everything as you come in the house. And then if we continue out to the garage, the other feature that I said we packed a lot into 1,500 square feet. And now the garage is nothing special. It's a 2-car garage. What is cool is we put this extra storage space in the garage. Big enough for bicycles, a golf cart, your paddle boards, your kids' bikes, workbench. It's just a really great feature in an era where we don't have as much room for storage to have this extra space out here in the garage. Once again, it's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,500 square feet. Now this home, as soon as we put it up, sold. It's an exciting floor plan, so we've started 2 more. And what I'm really excited about is one of them is priced at $299, and it's on a lot in our previous phase. We happen to have some specials on that lot, so it's a rare opportunity to get into Oakmont for under $300,000 in a Tommy Williams solar standard home, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, packed with features. To find out more information, you can call 335-4140, again 335-4140, or you can see the floor plan and more information on our website at TommyWilliamsHomes.com. Thanks, see you soon.